For the primary schools, because of the short examination, we encourage that copies of the timetable be prominently displayed on school notice boards where candidates and anybody who is interested can access.
Ebigezo ebyasine yakana nebyo kuja kutandikana n'olwa katano 2013 ebyokwezi ku 10 bali kukora briefing rero 2016 ebyokwezi oku 10 bakore ekigezo ekya geography ekibali kuja kutandikana nacho.
This year's examinations will start with the Uganda Certificate of Education, which will commence on the 13th of October 2023 with a briefing of the candidates, and the first examination papers will be written on Monday the 16th October 2023, with the first papers being geography papers 1 and paper 2.
Ebigezo eby'ekyamushanju nibija kutandikana na briefing eri kuja kuba habiro bishatu by'okwezi ku 11 omwaka 2023.
The primary leaving examination will be the next examination that we shall conduct. The briefing of candidates will be on the 7th of November 2023, and the examinations, as you are aware, takes 2 days. So we shall have on the 8th and the 9th of November, the candidates will write that examination.
Abeji abari kwingana miliyoni emwe emitwara 22,1371 nibo behandikise okubasa kukora ebigeze ebi okutandikana na kyamushanju senior ya kana na senior ya mukaga kandi aba nibija korera mu centers ezikwingana emitwara 2,921.
For all the three examinations, that is a primary, UCE and USCE, we have registered a total of 1,224,371 candidates, and these are from 20,921 examination centers.
Ahabejaba ebichekatano na kimwe aharigana nabishiki ebichekana na mwenda nabojo rero abeji abari kwingana 13,908 nabo abine obulema ahambiri yabo hano muri aba abeji bakwingana 2,236 nabe kyamushanju abeji rushanja 21 n'abasinia ya kana rero abeji 242 n'abasinia ya mukaga.
Special needs education candidates, in all we registered 3,698 candidates with various requirements. Some of them are having visual impairments, some have hearing impairments, while others have physical impairments, and so on and so forth.
Abeji abeyonjireho ahabigezo abari kuzakora ebigezo bya senior ya mukaga nibingana omutwaro gumwe 2,209 era abeji bakwingana omutwaro gumwe 19,988 nibo beyonjire ahari yabo abari kuzakora ebya senior ya kana.
And the final examination will be the Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education exam, which will commence on the 10th of November with the briefing of candidates, and this examination will run up to the 1st of December 2023. That will mark the end of the examinations for 2023.
Bitu abeji abari kuzakora ebye kyamushanju nibagambwa kwa bacendire okuruga ahabeji emitwaro 83 2,289 baza ahabeji abari kwingana emitwaro 59 bishatu 51 abakozire ebigezo omwaka ogwahwire. Abeji abari kwingana miliyoni emwe emitwaro 2,831 nibo bayihandikise bakakora ebigezo omwaka ogwahwire, aho abojo babeni barenga omitwaro 6 rero abishiki emitwaro 62,289 rero abayihandikise abe kyamushanju bakaba nibingana emitwaro 59 bishatu 51 ahari yabo abishiki bakaba ari emitwaro 39,554 rero abojo bari emitwaro 35 kashanju rushanju 97 ahari aba abeji abasinia ya kana bakani bingana emitwaro 36 1221 rero abishiki bakaba bari emitwaro 18 14 rero abojo bari emitwaro 18 1357 abasinia ya mukaga abojo bakani bahika emitwaro 11 579 abishiki bari kwingana emitwaro 4,252 ababuzibwe orikurira ekitongore echa UNEB Dan Odong yahiga abakuru b'amashomero okureba ngo batebekanisa kurungi abeji betantare emize yo kutekateka ngo nibija kopa amakuru aga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano.